My name is Bowman, and tonight I'm going to talk to you about GPS technology in space, and I am at the NC State Centennial location. What is GPS? GPS is a global system of U.S. navigational satellites developed to provide accurate location of where the data is going to the user and where they are in space. It is based off of latitude, longitude, and altitude. And at first, GPS was used in military purposes, such as wars, as in World War II, navigation systems were used for radio systems and communications and sorts of that nature. And without GPS, we would be relying on maps to navigate when we were going on family vacations and driving to our friends' houses. How does GPS work? GPS works by acquiring signals from U.S. satellites which locate your position. Satellites are used above the atmosphere at 10,000 miles above Earth's atmosphere, like I said before, and they use 3 or more satellites to guarantee correct location. And as you can see by clicking on your iPhone, if you go to the maps, you can click on the point that looks like a little arrow, and that'll give you your GPS coordinates at that specific location. GPS technology in space. GPS technology can be used in space for exploration of other planets, such as the moon, asteroids, and comets. GPS, as stated by GPS.gov, GPS is transforming the way nations operate in space. We're able to communicate with other nations via satellite in an instant now. A few applications of GPS in space include navigation, attitude, timing solutions, constellation control, and vehicle launch tracking. Satellites in space provide GPS technology for Google Maps and various other types of apps on our iPhones and daily computers. GPS and electromagnetics. As relating GPS to ECE 303, when we first discussed how the comet of the GPS was related to the probe that Rosetta Philae landed on back in November 12th. This GPS technology allowed the satellite to land on the comet, and now we're able to get data and take measurements, which will further our future research of space. And on page 8 of our textbook, Henry Kurtz created radio waves that share the same properties of light, and GPS technology uses radio waves to carry out their signals. As you can see by this, the waves that GPS technology used are in this type of area, and although this is not the correct graph shown on page 27, it is similar and it is used in the book. In summary, GPS uses satellite signals to locate one's position using latitude, longitude, and altitude. It is important to space exploration and for acquiring new data. It relates to ECE 303 because GPS carries a signal using radio waves, and we use that during our book and during our lectures in class. And also GPS is very important because everyone uses it for driving and other types of apps on iPhones such as that. Once again, my name is Bowman. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and these are my references for all my sources. Thank you.